Clearing the clutter and cleaning up now goes a long way to enjoying the holidays when they arrive. Home organizer Megan Arthurs joins us now with some of her favorite tips to get ready. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Annette. It's great to be chatting with you this morning about the most wonderful time of the year, or perhaps the most stressful time of the year. You know, this holiday season is very different compared to last year's holiday season, and this could be adding a lot of stress and anxiety and pressure to our lives. So that's why it's so important to be organized. And, when I say organized, Annette, I don't just mean, the elements we talk about all the time, like having a home for everything or labeling and storage containers. I really mean adopting organizing as a lifestyle. So, how can you be organized in your rituals, your routines, your schedules, even your mindset? Because that's what's going to lower your stress levels and really boost that peace, calm, and joy, which is what the holidays are all about.
Right, and I love it. So the first segment is writing out everybody's family activities in the calendar, and making sure that you leave time for downtime.
Yes, absolutely. So scheduling the month ahead is super critical for staying organized. And whether that's, using a large family calendar so everyone can see it, pen and paper, I mean, that's my go-to. I love writing to-do lists and scratching them off. Some families prefer to use a digital system. So it's whatever works for you, because you're really scheduling as a tool and an aid to stay organized, to stay on track of the to-dos. There's a lot of holiday parties and events to attend, a lot of shopping to do and buying food if you're hosting. So it's using a schedule to really relieve some stress from mentally managing so many responsibilities and to-dos.
Right, and the stress of buying the perfect gift as well. I love your idea, and we have done this in our family the last couple of years. Instead of buying a gift for everybody, we exchange names, and it's one gift. So much easier.
Absolutely. I totally agree. I just did this with my friends this past weekend. And, we put so much pressure on ourselves to buy the perfect gift. And, it's overwhelming. It's a lot of work. So maybe you could start a new tradition with your family. Like you said, Annette, writing names down, putting them in a stocking. Everyone still is receiving a gift. Everyone is still giving a gift. It's a really nice activity to do.
It's a lot of fun. Okay, now wrapping that gift. I love your idea for having everything all in one place so that nobody's running all over the house. Where's the tape, or where are those bags?
Yes, absolutely. So firstly, you want to find a zone in the home to wrap. So where are you going to designate all your wrapping to? And secondly, it's about storing your wrapping supplies and accessories to really make tidy up quick and then setting up quick as well. So, using things like clear containers, trays, baskets, bins to store your bows and your tags and your tape and scissors. And even finding things around the house works great too, Annette. Like here on my table setup, I'm just using, old flower vase, and I'm storing some wrapping paper in that. An old shoe box works great, or something really trending right now is using an old garment hanging bag.
Oh, good idea.
I'm putting all of your wrapping rolls in that, and then you just hang it in a closet, and that way everything's really contained.
Okay, we've just got a few seconds left, but your last tip is my favorite. It's just enjoy the process, right? Don't look for perfection, just enjoy things.
Absolutely. Don't worry about the end result. Just enjoy the time with your friends and family.
Okay, you've got some great tips here again. I feel so much better because I've been cleaning my house like mad, and it actually feels good organizing everything. So I've been using some of your tips already from this, and we'll get those tips up on our website, chch.com. Megan, have a very Merry Christmas.
Oh, thanks, Annette. You too.
Pretty lights on the tree.